is no. Gives Boolean array. Which entries are true? None entry is a true. np.na is true. pd.na is true. Other values are false. Next I will write it. Next I will write it. One more function is also there, student. One more function is also there. Not this is another function I will write it. That you don't worry about it. Pandas dot not no. Which will work Boolean array gives Boolean array. This also gives Boolean array. This also gives Boolean array with true for which value? Missing value. And false for what? Non-missing value. Okay, now? Non-missing value. Okay. What about this now? With true. Reverse. So gives Boolean array with true for what value? Non-missing value and false for which value? Missing value. Okay, now? Right, good. Now I'm going to take it. One more function is also there, student. What is the next function you know, students? Is null. Spell out. Is null. Also same. Gives you missing with true for missing value and false for what? Non-missing value. Let's go to the place. Here I'm going to write it. Anyhow, this is a not now. You don't worry about it. You don't worry about it. This also, you don't worry about it. So I'm going to take up. This is a scenario here. Are you following me now? It's now. Next, similarly, usage of which function? Which function is null? Which function is null? Come on. Yes, sir. Dot is null. Is null. Same. Is null. Which will give you the same. Even if I write a print of this also, when you are writing the program, always write in this. Now I will go for S of, was the Boolean array to series object or not? Yes, sir, dot, come on. Yes, sir, dot is null. Is null. Because already we have an experience of what? NumPy. In the NumPy, Boolean array will come. That Boolean array will to A of Boolean array we used to pass or not? Like that, this Boolean array, we are passing to which object? Series object. Whichever entry is false, that will be neglected. Whichever entries are true, whose entries will be printed. So print of, I'm going to write it. So that entries are coming as usual like a previous result. Getting up? Right. Online students. Are you getting students? So I already said to you. So Viswa. Sir, what is the difference between these two? Just now I said no students. What is the difference? There is no difference at all. Either you can use is na or you can use both of them are same. The actually recently available is called is na. Earlier one is called is null. Both of them same. There is no difference at all. Both of them I am saying. Okay na Vishwa. Now I will go for finding the number of missing value. Finding the missing value. Okay. Find the missing value. Okay. Here I will write finding the missing value. Students, one small thing. Finding the missing value you are getting. Missing value. This is okay. Now I will go to sixth one. I will write it slowly. I will give you much clarity here. So this you try to take out. Sixth one I am going to write it. Finding the sixth one. Finding the number of missing values. How many numbers? 3 values or 4 values or how many are there? Now students, the same thing I will carry. There I will apply. Is now dot what? Sum I will write it. Sum of. What is the function name? Sum of. Gives what value? Gives number of what? Missing value. First syntax gives you what? Number of missing values will be displayed. But this will give you what? Number of missing values. Missing values will be given. So also gives you the same kind of stuff. Is null. Is null. Dot what? Sum. Gives you what? Missing value. Come on now. I'm going to write count. What is this? Count. Number of which values? Missing values. Carry out this object. carry out this object, same object you carry. Here I am going to take out. Here I am going to take out. Now I am going to write it as a dot. Come on. Is now dot is now of what? Sum of printing here. Printing number of which values? Missing values is equal to missing values is equal to number of missing values is equal to yes a dot. So how many are going to come? I'll say like this. How many missing values are there? Three. Is it three missing values are available or not? Yes. So if you want to get it, print of what? S of S dot is na, and I'm going to get it. This values. These three missing values are shown and plus counting is also done. Similarly, I can also do another way also. What is the function name now? Is null. Is null of what? Dot sum. Is null. Dot what? Sum. So is it okay? Sum. So got it that also. Three missing values are coming here. Clear or not clear? Right. Online students. Is it clear, ma? This is missing value. So wherever there is a missing value is coming, we will apply what? Is now. And then what? Right. So to display, this is the one. Syntax number 3. Syntax number, this one I am giving. Print of, what is this now? Pandas dot is now. S of print of series object of, here I will write it, series object of, this is also not pandas students, series obj dot, series obj dot, this one, I wrote little wrong there, series object dot, series object dot, here also series object dot, hmm, series object dot what is now, will display, hmm, will display which values? Missing values. Missing values. Will display missing values. Similarly, another one also I will write it. Syntax number 4. What is this now? Is null. Also will give you the same. This will give you what your series object. Series obj dot now. That is same. Pandas I should not write. Here I need to write series obj dot is null dot sum of. Gives a number of what? Missing values. Gives number of which values? Missing values. Clear or not clear? Right. Done. Students. So let me go to the seventh one. I'm going to take it. Seventh one. What is the seventh one? What is the seventh one? I will take out. Here I will carry seventh one. Finding the non-missing values. Finding the non-missing values. That is called what? Other than non, other than none, np dot nan, other than pd dot na. Come on, what is the function name? Series object dot not now. Not now. Use number of Madhu. Come on. Come on, next. Not null. Not null. Finding the number of missing value. So this part you take it. This you use some view remove. This you remove. This part gives number of what values? Non-missing value. Non-miss. In minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. You be cool, okay? So be cool. I will take care about it. Number of what? Missing values. I will just give you the clarity. You don't get any tension, okay? So I will give you that. You don't get any confusion. You don't make me to get it. So coming to this place, sixth is done. Seventh. Here I need to write it. Not now. By mistake I did over there. Not now. Use Boolean array for true for which value? Non-missing value. And false for? Yes. Similarly, one more is called what? Come on. Not null. Gives Same thing. True for what? Non-missing value, and false for missing value. Okay. Series object dot. Come on. Not now. Not now. Will give you display which values? Non-missing value, not null, not null. Will display non-missing value. Non-missing value. This is the part I took it. Similarly, to find the which values? Which values? Counting. At least tell me the subheadings. Non-missing value. Non-missing value. This is called other than other than this one. So what is the function name? Not no dot sum gives a number of non-missing value. Here also not null. Not null dot sum gives number of non-missing value. Non-missing value. Are you following me? Right. Students, now I will go to the further. Now I will go to the further. So I'm going to enter into the further discussion. So let us move to the place. Here I'm going to take up finding non-missing values here. Go to the same place. Here I will carry this. Online students, I hope everybody is following perfect. So I will carry this data. Here I'm going to take up, create this value. Now I will go for it. This syntax, first syntax. Dot what? No. So go to that. So usage of what? Not no. Not no. Come on. Yes dot. Not no. Not no. Print off. What it gives? Which array? Boolean array. So it gives you true, true, true for what? Non-missing. False for what? Yes. Next I will go for display the data. How do you display the data? Yes of. Yes of. You write it like this. Like this. So is it getting the missing values or not? Yes. Next I will go to one more function is also there. What is the next function? One. Not null. Not null. So let us go to the not null is the latest method. Not null is called one of the older process, older function. So you can save the same thing in the same manner. You can use it. Yes, you pass it. Pass to S of. Pass to S of. I'm going to take up. Like this, you post. Is it the four values are coming or not? Yes. That, this is a subject of how to display the missing, how to display the missing value. Now count that. Count, here I am writing count number of what values? Non-missing value. Non-missing value. Come on, print. Number of non-missing values is equal to, comma, come on, yes dot, not now dot, sum of. So getting how many? Four. So four. Already four values are available or not? Four values are available. So these are the four values are available. Got it. Similarly, I will take up one more kind of function here. This is not no, of course. This is called what? Not no, of course. Not no dot sum. Got it. Similarly, not null. Here also, not null dot sum of. So got it. So this completes finding number of missing values, displaying missing values, all of them are getting. And wherever missing value concept is coming, one should not get confused. So overall together is called what functions are there? Conclusion is what? What is the conclusion? How you understand? I want to go for it. What is the conclusion here? What are the missing values? Missing values functions you tell me. Missing values functions you tell me once. Is not, yes, is no, is null, null. Non-missing values functions you tell me. Not no and That's all. Good. That's all, students. Uh, not now and not null. Not null. That's all. Understand now? Right? So not now and not null, not now and not null. If we apply the sum for each and everything, sum if I apply it, whose count will come? So I gave the complete clarity, my dear students. One should not get any confusion. Online students, am I clear to you people? All the students respond. Right, good. Now it is the time to see to move to the further. Now I will move to the further. So there is one more kind of thing. Next I will carry one more thing called a ninth one. I am going to take it. What is the ninth one, ma? Sorting the values of series object. Very, very important again, students. How to sort? Sorting means what? Arranging the values either in ascending or descending. Arranging the values either in ascending or descending. So dull, dull, not sitting like that. While coming, anything lost money from back? Anything lost? No, everything okay now. Once we learn pandas very well, tomorrow you'll get very big salary. Python and all. With very big salary, we can buy the car, music, AC on. Everything will be done. When we sit something like this, so problems will come. No problem, na? Start up. No, for everything, not like that. Need to speak out. Problem? No problem, na? Getting everything. What are the two functions used for finding missing values? Hmm? See, mom, once you speak in the class, now you'll get very good subject. Once we don't speak, me or you or anybody will not get the suitable results. Okay, na? Please speak out. Right. Now go to the sorting of values. Sorting of values. How do you go for sorting the data? So, and these days, and people are getting fraud. People are getting fraud again. One of my student got a offer letter. In that offer letter, they said accept the offer letter and send. So accept it and send the confirmation. After immediately they got one more. You buy this software. Buy this software. They are saying some software. You buy this software. We are sending you some software which you will use in your project in our company. And that software cost is around 50,000. That 50,000 rupees, they are approximately saying, not written in written place, they did not say. They are saying orally. And I'll show you that message also for you. So they are saying, buy the software, which you will use it in the company. And that money what you are paying will be refunded in coming 2 to 3 months. Why you need to buy software? Why you need to buy software? Huh? Why you need to buy? They are playing with you. These are all cheating or not? With cheating, they are surviving students. How dangerous students? So he asked me, sir, shall I buy the software? If I say yes, what that student will buy? So I said, it is a fraud, don't buy. So you need to be very serious about that studies. So first of all, to which company we are attending in the interview, you need to go. First of all, that interview, you keep it for a few minutes aside. Before going to an interview, first of all, we need to check by ourselves, are we fully ready to an interview or not? Once you are fully ready by reading everything, automatically this type of companies we don't look at. We will look at little good companies only. So that's why it's a scam. It's called fraudsters. They are all called. So they will say buy the software. Why you need to buy software? You need not to buy dress also. You can go to your BTech dress only. BTech dress is always last at 10 lakhs. With the same dress you need to go up to you get 10 lakhs. After that you need to buy new dresses. Correct or not? So this is what is going on, students. Not only in so many places, it will go like this. And when you go to the office now, some of the people will, one more fraudsters. What is happening? One more time. Morning student got it. Course is going on. And he did not appear any interview. He said he got a mail. You are selected and you will receive offer letter very soon. You click on this link, accept it. So without attending interview, how he can select? And he came morning yesterday. I hope so. Yesterday only, sir. I got a mail saying that you are selected. Okay, congratulations. I said, but after that he's saying, sir, I did not attend interview. He's saying, really? I said, congratulations unnecessary. I said, congratulations. He said, sir, I did not appear for interview. How I got that offer letter? He's saying. So how it is possible? And he's saying that, sir, I clicked on it. Sir, accept. He said, I clicked on the link. Next day he got an offer letter. One more thing. Today morning he got it, saying that for training purpose during this 2 months, 3 months, we'll give some training, pay 35,000 rupees. 35,000 rupees that will be refunded in the coming 1 or 2 months. Instead of refunding, keep it with you and give a training. Why to pay and refund? What is this? Is it a fees reimbursement or what? So these are all called what they will do now. 35,000 you will pay students. After that, what will happen? They will take 1 or 2 months in that, and after that they will say something they will conduct, and your performance is not good for this training. It is over and go to home. This is fraud, and IT fraud is very danger. IT fraud is very danger. So students, and please be careful about it. If any such things are coming, so what is your investment in the company? Your intelligence. Other than that, one NP also paying one NP. And at 10 NP you did not say. 10 NP you did not see. I was seen it. When I was in school, when you give 10 NP, which is white in coin, they will give ice cream. A full ice cream, sir. In stick, there is one ice cream. That is 10 NP. 25 NP, there is a white ice cream is there. That is 25 NP. You did not see both of them in your life. Because you started your career with 1 rupee you started. Correct? Ah. So that means they will 10 NP also you don't pay. If any such things are there, don't click on the links. Right? Because these days people are trying to get them something from the people who are unemployed by cheaters like this. Who are the cheaters behind this, IT people only. IT people only. And they are fraudsters. Okay, now? So that's why students be perfect in your subject. Don't click on unnecessary links. Okay, now? Right. Okay, students, coming to the point back. Now I'm going to say. Hmm? So, Sai, Umesh, even Sundar Pichai was also selected through an interview only, not through links. Correct. So that's why be careful about it. Sorting the values of series object. There I'm going to take setbacks. So how do you sort the values? Series object dot sort underscore values. What is the function name? Sort underscore values. This will give you by default sorts the values of series object. Sorts the values of series object with in which order? In which order? Ascending order. In which order? Ascending order. In ascending order. If we want in descending order, I can write it. Sort values is equal to what it is? Ascending is equal to false. You need to write. Ascending is equal to what? False. So this sorts the values in which order? Descending order. Descending order. Descending order. Are you able to follow now? Yes. Series object dot sort underscore values. Series object dot sort underscore values. Ascending is equal to false. Sorts the values of series object in which order? Descending order. Let me go to the next one. I will go to the one more kind of thing. I will go to after sorting these values now, students. After sorting both the values, it is not reflecting to the series object. It is not reflecting. Only output will come. In order to reflect to that, in place is equal to what? True. In place is equal to true. Sorts the values in series object in ascending order. Place the result in where? Series object itself. One. So already in place concept I said. Ascending is equal to false. What is this now? In place is equal to true. Sorts the data in which order? Descending order, and place the data in which place? In same place only, series only. Is it clear or not clear? So online students, I hope it is more clear for you more. So let us go to the subject of like this. So take, this is called which values? Missing value. So examples on working with missing value, missing values. So coming to the point back, now I'll go to the next. What is the next one? Sorting the values. So this is also very important thing. Examples on examples on sorting the sorting the sorting the values of each object. Series object. Create a series object here. So go to the place. Here I will go for how do you create an object of series. So I'll go to this place, work this one, sorting the values of series. So let us coming to this place, sorting the values. Create an object. Students, when you want to sort the values of series data must be homogeneous, right or not? Must be homogeneous. Must be homogeneous. Homogeneous and similar, right? Similar. Heterogeneous values can I sort off? Come on. No, you cannot sort. So, yes, sir. Can I sort off? No, you will get which error? Which error? Already in the sort function only I said. Sort function, sorted function. What is the answer? You will get it. Type error. Harshavardhan, Azira, Dilip Kumar. Good. So type error will be coming. Type error. So Sneha, good. Swati, good. So Dilip Kumar. So type error will be coming. Let's go to the import, import numpy as np, numpy as np. Now I'm going to take it pandas, import pandas as pd, pandas as pd. Now I'm going to take it np is equal to random of random dot randint of randint of 10 comma some 100 10 comma something like a 200 200 size is equal to some 8 I'm saying, and the next I'm going to say s is equal to pd dot series of a, pd dot series of a. Print of here, what is the data? Original series data. Original series data. Did you remember random model, students? It's a very important, students. Very important, students. Keep in mind, have a special look on it. Always you need to remember. Who remember all the functions of random, students? Who remember all the functions of random here? Who remember all the functions of series random here? Can anybody can raise the hands in offline? Explain or not explain now? If you don't remember and tell how much you're disappointed, I will get it. So girls, how many? Both boys and girls are same. When I was a student, if boys are not answering, sir will shout on boys once, and when they ask to girls, girls will answer. And boys used to bend the down like this. మనం ఇంతే అని. But these days, both of them are same. Both of them are same. So some students said, who is this? Yes, Harshavardhan. Very good boy. Very good boy. All of them said, everything said. Rand into, rand and normal, rand, normal, shuffle, choice, permutation, permutation. In editor tools, I said what? Permutations, so combinations, so product, combinations with replacement. అలా గుర్తుండుకుపోవాలి. You need to be like a skillful employee. Brain ఏం చేస్తుందా? What is the use of brain? You remember everything. Morning once you buttify everything, evening once you buttify anything, afternoon once you buttify anything. Buttify in the sense revise, 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 revise. Why don't you remember? పట్టుదల ఉండాల. You need to have lot of firm decision. When you will get, I don't know. So now let us execute this data. This is my data, which is in what order? Random order, unordered format. This is called what? Unordered, ordered, unordered. This is called unordered. This is unordered. This is the data which is unordered. Now I want to sort it. Come on, sort. Sort the data. Sort the data. In which order? Ascending. 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 Come on, how do you do that? Ascending order. How do you do, students? Yes, dot sort underscore values. Sort underscore values. So because of that, what is happening? You see, if I see this kind of thing, I will execute print of this data. You see, sort of values. You see, it is coming in what? Ascending order, it is coming. After that, you print the data once again. You print the data once again. Here you print it. This is called which order it is? Which order it is? Which order? Ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order. This is called a series data in ascending order. So got it. Got it or not? Yes. But if I print original series data, if I print original series data, that will print as it is once again original data only now? Yes. It will print the original data as it is, students. So because of that, what is happening? It is printing original data. So it is what was default? False. So I will use the next syntax. Same data only. Same data only. I will use it. Here I will come down. Here I am going to use it. Tell me, I forget to use it. So here I will write it. Tell me, there I will write s dot sort values in place is equal to true. In place is equal to what? True. So there I am going to write it. Print of, print of, yes, I will write it. Print of s. Am I getting in sorted order or not? This is called the original data. This is going to be coming in where? Sorted order. Did you understand the in place meaning? Good. Similarly, get the data in which order now? Descending. Descending also I will go for the same. Descending also I will go for the same. Come on. Here I will write it. Unordered. In place is equal to remove. What I will write it? Ascending is equal to what? False. False. This is called a descending. Descending. So I'm going to write it. This directly I will write it in this place. Print off. I'm writing like this. So here I'm writing it. So see, students, is it getting in descending order or not? This is the original data. This is like this, it is coming. But if I print my original data, what will happen? Still the old data only available. So I will use which concept? In place I will use it. Carry the same thing. In place I will use it. In place is equal to, go to the place. In place is equal to true. So this part I will take. Here I will write it. Here I will write it. Which order it is? Descending. Descending order. So in place is equal to true. In place is equal to true. So remove that. In place is equal to true. So now you print this data, print of S. Print of S. Am I getting in descending order or not? Yes, this is called ascending. This is the next is called what? Descending. Clear? Right, students. Now I got it. So students in the online, I hope that all of them has done like this. And this value is also got it. Clear or not clear? Right. So online students, this is working with sorting values done. Anytime, not only these things, names also you take it. Names. That names also alphabetical values also alphabetical order it is going to be coming. So while you are practicing, takes the names of the people and try to arrange in ascending and descending order. Will you take it up? Right. So online students, do here I will write one small comment here. All students must sort the list of names of series object. So do that. That is the note point. Now I will go to the next one. I will go for it. What is the next one? Go to the heading. Here I am writing 10th formula. What is the 10th formula now? Finding. Already it is available here. So finding, this is called 10th. Finding max or highest value of the series object. Very simple. So for that, I will apply. Can you expect it? Series object, series object dot what? Max. Series object dot max. Or you can apply a small example. What is that? Sort the value in ascending order and write what? Last value. Last value. Last value is called max value only now. After sorting, ascending order, last value is called what? Max only. Understand? Descending order is called what? Index 0. Index 0 is called what? Max value. Now I am going to take it. To find the max value directly, apply which function? Max function. In our class, in our functions, we wrote our own function for max, KVR max, some functions we wrote it. And for everything, you need to write your own logic. Behind the sort values, which concept was available? Quick sort was available. Already we done in where? NumPy. NumPy, I said how many syntaxes for sort? 4. గుర్తున్నాయా? మనకి ఏం గుర్తున్నా మీరంతా గజనీలు అక్కడ. సో 1 is called what? NumPy dot sort of ND array. NumPy dot sort array of 2D array. Axis is equal to 0, axis is equal to 1. Next is called what? Sort of ND array, comma, order. Order. Order says what? Records are there. Name, U7, age, I4, marks, F4, like that I took it. And order, D type is equal to programmer defined data type I used to take. Sorting based on age, sorting based on name, sorting based on age and height. That example only I said to you. How much important you cannot imagine. Next is one more is numpy dot sort, comma, kind. Kind. How many kinds? 3. One is quick sort, merge sort, keep sort. చూడు ఏమన్నా గుర్తున్నాయి మీకు? అసలు చూడండి, యూ అబ్జర్వ్ ఇట్. how your parents will feel how much painful. అందుకని మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే, if you become parents now, your sons and daughters from the day one onwards, when you just join them LKG onwards, daily you do one thing. When they come to the school to home, you ask all the questions. Open the textbook and ask all questions so that they will get IIT seat directly. If you don't do it, same. Okay na? So you are thinking first now job రావాలి కదా అని. So coming to the point back. So finding the max are what? Highest value in the things. One is called max. Next, one more syntax is there. I want to find the max values. Series obj dot largest. What is that? Largest. And you are mentioning one n. Largest is equal to 1. You are mentioning one n over there. What is the meaning of n? I will tell you. Similarly, I will go to one more kind of function called what? 11 I will take it ma. Finding the min. Here also I am going to take it. What is the function name? Come on. Min of. Min of. You are saying. Next is called what? Huh? Smallest. చూడండి మీరు బాగా చెప్తున్నారు ఇప్పుడు. Okay, you are saying. Will you remember after 10 days? No. So that is called you are in 60% range. A good day, but lazy. You are good, but lazy. People like me remember what? Remember syntax, remember how to use it, everything. Some life fear is required. You have to practice well. So how many days you are lazy, students? So let us apply here, finding the max and min values here. Let's go to it. Now I'll take new. Here I'm writing. So examples on finding max and what? Min values. Min values. So there I will take it. In this place I will take it. So let's start. Here I'm going to write it. Take some examples over there. Take this some examples over here. Create random data. This is the data, you take it. So I'm going to take it like this. So this is series data. Series data I have. So now I will go for series data. Now I want to print it. Which value? Max value. How to print max value? Without using max, you tell me. Don't use max and then find the highest value. Max is one thing. Okay. Now how to use another way? Print of direct statement I want. Max value. Max value of series object. Series object is equal to comma. This you sort it or not? What is the max value here? 189. So how do you do that? Yes dot sort underscore values of. Sort underscore values of. What is that? Sort underscore values will give you what? Data in sorted order. What is that I will find? Last. How do you find the last? How do you find the last? Yes, very good. S dot what? Size. S dot size. So you are going to get what value? Of course, I need to close it. So I need to close it. Size. So S dot size. Size minus 1. Size minus 1. So we'll give you what value, ma'am? 38. 38, no. So 1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute. Here I will write it. In place station first. First I will do what? In place. Because let us, in place is equal to what? True. In place is equal to true. Yes of, this I will write it off like this. So you are going to get it. Which value is coming? 1 minute. Print of S. So this is the data. 189. Size will give you S dot size. Print of S of S dot what? Size. Size will give you what? S dot size will give you key error. Okay. So I will write it what? Minus 1 I will write it. Will give you what value? 38. Why that is 38 is coming? No, mom. Print of S. So last value is called this one. What is the size is printed number of values? Print of number of values is equal to S dot what? Size. S dot size will give you 8. How many values are there? 8 values are there. 8 values are there. Okay. Okay. That's perfect. It is 8 is coming. But what is happening now, students? 1 minute, mom. So here, this you are getting it in terms of keys you are getting. If I take it size minus 1, What is coming? Seventh place, what is double? This one is coming. I don't want that. Anybody can answer it? Still anybody can answer it? S dot, this one is coming. So now anybody can answer it. So here, because you are not remembering basically this data. So I'm going to take it. Vals is equal to S vals is equal to S dot values. One attribute I said to you. S of what? Vals. S vals. Is it vals are coming or not? Values is one attribute. It will give you list of values from that. What is this type? Ah, Modu, it is an ND array. Modu, it is an ND array. Yes, vals is called ND array. ND array. Last class I said to you already. ND array, what is the last one? So I'm going to take it. Print off. Come on. Max value is equal to S values of what? Minus 1. S values of minus 1. 189. 189. In other way, I can say S values dot LN. LN I will write it. LN of S vals minus 1 I can write. Minus 1 I can write. That also will give you 189. చదువు తెలుసుండాలి ఫస్ట్. Once you know subject of that attribute, 13 attributes I said. One of the way I got it or not? Why I said all the ways in the class? To know about everything. So overall together, this is a way to get the maximum value without using max value. I think you are getting me. Right? Completed. Now with the max function, I want to do it. With the max function, I want to do it. So coming to the point back. So here I'm going to do it. Come on, get it. Print of what value? Max value is equal to, comma, S dot what? Max of. S dot max of. Got it. What is the max value in the series? Random data. 184 is the max. Okay now? Done. So if you want in single line to get it, you can also get it something like this. Print of, or you can also say in simple way also you can do it. What is the simple way? Print of S dot sort underscore values, sort underscore values, in place is equal to true, in place is equal to true, dot what you are applying, values, values, you are applying called what? Minus 1, minus 1. So it is giving you values. None type object is returning. Yes, correct. So this is going to be like this. So sort values, values of it, you are going to get it. So say some x is equal to print of x. You try like this. Also getting the same problem. So try to get it, this thing. So try to get it. Separately you will apply s dot value, s dot, s dot values, s dot values. There I will apply what? Minus 1, minus 1. There I said, already I said to you, max value is equal to, max value is equal to, got it, comma, like this I got it. So students, is it getting the same answer or not? Yes. So first you do it, then after that you apply values of minus 1. Okay. This is one thing students. Next I want to go for, this is max. Next I want to get it largest. Largest means what? I want to print some highest values in the subject. Highest values I want to get it. So let us get this. Finding the number of largest elements. So this is my data. Come on. Find three max elements. First three max elements. Top three max elements. Top three max elements. How do you find out? Come on. Print top three max elements. Max elements. What are the top three max elements here? 184, 155, 138. Come on, how do you write it? Print of s dot largest. Largest of what? 3. Largest of 3. No attribute. So it is called n largest or what? Yes. Yes, n largest one. N largest. Students, it is called what? N largest. This is called n smallest. Are you following me? N, how many are coming? Three. Three. Next, find. Find. Come on. I will take it. I will take this series. I will take this series. I will take the series. Here. Go to the place. Here I am writing something like 12. 12 elements I am getting it. 12. And the top 5 elements I will get it. Top 5. What I will write it? 5. So see that. Am I getting top 5 elements or not? Top 5 elements. These are called some number of elements. Top 5 elements are coming. What is the parameter I am passing? 5. Next, same data, random data. Here I will write it. Top 5 again I want. Don't remove the parameter 5. By default, n largest will give you how many maximum elements? 5. I'm not writing anything inside. Am I writing anything inside? No. So what is coming? How many top 5 elements are coming? Are you getting? So by default, n largest will give top 5 people, top 5 marks. Okay, now you may ask a question. Sir, can I find the top single element? Can I find? Yes, you can find. What you will pass? Come on. One now. Top. Top one max element. Top one max element. So you are getting the one max element, 194. Is it 194 from this given elements or not? Yes. Easy or difficult? Easy. Come on. Got it. Understand? Right. Even without using this n largest also you can find. How to find without using n largest? Can you tell me the technique? Without using, come on, n largest. Without using n largest function. Can I use any technique? ఉందా మీ దగ్గర? So, come on. What is that? Sort it. First you do what? Sort it. Find the top 4 max elements. So, first you do what? Sort. How do you sort? S dot sort values of. Sort values of. What is this? Ascending. Ascending is equal to what? Today. Ascending is equal to what? True. ఇప్పుడే కదా చెప్పింది. జస్ట్ నౌ కంప్లీటెడ్. మళ్ళీ ట్రూ. Ascending is equal to false. In place is equal to what? True. True. Because of that, what will happen? Ascending is equal to what? False. Because of that, what will happen? It will come in print change or sorry, print and then check. So you are getting underscore నేను చూసుకుంటా కానీ మీరు సబ్జెక్ట్ చెప్పండి. Sort underscore values. First you tell me the subject. Underscore, comma, semicolon, I will take care. First you tell me the subject. Underscore values. See, it is in ascending. How do you get these values? I will go for dot what? Values. Values. So we'll give you dot values. Will give you what here? Vals. VALS. VALS is equal to. What I will take here? How many you want? Top 5 you want? Top 5 max elements. Top 5 max elements. How do you print? Print of S value vals of what? 0 to 4. 0 to 4. So am I getting attribute? Okay. So he's saying don't apply it is saying. Okay. So there you get it. It is not returning anything. Say here vals is equal to S dot what? Values. S dot values of like this. Am I getting the top 5 values or not? It's like this. Okay now? 4 and change ఇక్కడ ముద్దు. So here it is coming top 5. Top 5 or top 6 you want? So don't know that adjustment. You want top value, you want maximum value. What you will write it? 1 I will write it. So top value is coming, that is called 185 or not. So for that also you will ask doubt. Huh? So go to the place. Got it. Clear or not clear? Right, done. So at any cost, I need the answer. That's all. So go to the place. Now this is called max and n largest. Similarly, I will go for what? Finding min values. How to find the min values? Same as like that. Go to the same place. Carry your object data. Carry your object data. Now I'm going to get it. So quickly you try to do it. So in this case, come on, fast. What is the value? Max, min value. Min value is equal to, min value is equal to, comma, come on. Yes, sir, dot, min of, yes, dot, min of, 35, 35. Without using min of, quickly, without confusion, without using which function? Min of. Without using min of, what is the function name? How do you find out? Yes dot, what is this? Sort underscore values. Sort underscore values. Come on. In place is equal to, in place is equal to true. In place is equal to true. Next, vals is equal to yes dot values. Values is an attribute. Already I said to you. 13 attributes I said. Okay? Right. There is one more attribute is going to add in the coming versions, that is called ATTRs. ATTRs. That is called in our Python case, I said globals function, globals, which will give you, which will give you around 9 invisible global variables are coming. Like that, for series object also one invisible global variables will be there. That is going to add in the further. So let us print that, print of, what is this now? Min value is equal to, comma, what is this now? Vals of 0. Vals of 0. Vals of 0. Is it 35 coming or not? Here also earlier 35, here also 35. How simple it is, students. So if you want, directly you can write S vals of 0, you can write. Directly it will come. Something must be hardworking required. So next I will go to which function I want to use. N largest I want to find out. Finding the n smallest I want to find out. Let's go to it. Finding, finding which values? Finding top, top or finding 5 min elements from which object? Series object. By using, by using which function? N smallest, n smallest. Create a series object once again. Create a series object once again. Go to that, done, and next apply. Come on, print first 5, first 5 min elements, first 5 min elements. How do you find? Come on, print of yes dot n smallest of, don't pass anything. It is by default 5 only. So you will get it first 5 min elements. Are you getting it? So even if you pass 5 also, no problem, no effect at all. By default it will take 5 only. Same output will be coming there also. Same output will be coming from there also. If you want the first min element, or that is nothing but first min element, I will take it. Min element, I will take it. So what I will do? 1 I will pass it. 1 I will pass it. Are you getting it? Like that. Very simple also. First min element is coming. That is called 32 is coming. Okay now? So without using this also you can find out. Without using which function? Without using which function? So without using n smallest, n smallest. Come on, how do you use it? Same data. You carry the same data once again. In this place, I will take up take this data. How do you find this? Come on. Yes, a dot, s a dot, sort values of in place is equal to true. In place is equal to true. Right? Now I will say on first first six min elements, six min elements. I will write print of yes dot values of what? 0 colon 5. 0 colon 6, 0 colon 6, 0 colon 6, sort underscore values, sort underscore values in place is equal to. Am I getting the six minimum values or not? Getting like this. If you want to print them something like a values like this, for value in like that, print of what your backslash t dot format of what value, dot format of value. So dot format of value. So I'm getting six first these values are coming. Clear or not clear? Simple students. So out of all these things, first minimum values are coming. It's everything is so clear. So if you want to get top five or top four, you change these values and you will get those elements. Okay, now. So this is related to which concept? Finding min and lowest values. Online students, is it clear for you people? Respond students. Now I'm going to enter into the 12th one. I'm going to take it students. 12th one. So what is the 12th one? Finding which values? Unique values in series object. Unique values. I want to go for finding the unique values. How to find the unique values? That is our topic here. So I already said to you this example where I said NumPy lo Japan already. In NumPy I said what is the function we use over there? What is the function we use over there? NumPy object dot unique. NumPy object dot unique. So you'll get all unique values. Here also same. So syntax here. What is the syntax I am applying, students? I am going to apply series object dot. What is the function name? Unique. Unique I am applying. So let us gives you all unique values are coming. You can write the code for unique also. I already said to you, eliminate the duplicates. Eliminate the duplicates. I already said to you how to write the unique function. So let's go to that. So here also max min unique values also I will go for it. I'll change that heading also. Find the unique values from which object? Series object. Here I am going to write it. Create a series object student. So create a one series object. Import pandas as PD. Pandas as PD. Right, done. S is equal to PD dot series of PD dot series of. I'm going to write it. What I'm writing? 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I'm saying 15 and 25 like that. So this is my data. Print of which data? Series data. Series data. Print of what I'm saying? Yes. So this is my data given. Now I want to find out what? Unique values. So this is the series data. Now I want to find the unique values. So how to find the unique values I'm going to say. So say, come on, yes sir dot unique of. Yes sir dot unique of. Is it unique values are coming or not? Unique values are coming. This is called what? ND array. ND array is going to come. ND array. Array of. I got it. Yes dot unique of. So if you want to get it, unique elements UE, if you want to get it, UE. So you can print UE. Print of unique elements of all unique elements of each object. Unique elements of each object. Series object. Series object. I will write it for value in where? UE. UE. Print of that values here. Backslash T. Dot format of what? Well. Dot format of well. So Get all the values here. Get all the values. So here I got it. What happens? So here print of closing bracket problem. So print of. So this is the data. All unique elements got it or not? All of them are unique elements. These are all duplicate elements. 10 is available multiple times, 20 is available, 30 is available. All unique elements are coming or not? Yes. You can write your own function for what? Unique. You can write your own function also. Already I shown you how to write unique function in NumPy level. So got it. This is unique values, we got it. Understand this now? Something like that. Next one is very important, students. Maybe it is applicable for what? It is applicable for which case? If you want to replace in the same place, I will check one students. Just try to follow. So I will take it. I will take it. In place of placing in queue this place, I will check it. S dot unique in place is equal to what? True. In place is equal to true. I will try to take up. I will try to take up series data. Unique elements of series object. Unique elements of series object. Print of S. So it is going to say it is unexpected keyword argument it is saying. That means it was not there it seems. That's why don't try to write like this. Is it okay? So remove that. I just experimented. So now you got it. Clear or not clear? Clear. Online students. Now I will go to one more thing. 13th formula, 13th concept. Finding number of unique values. How many unique values is available? Which one is available? What I want to go for it. Syntax is, I'm going to take up syntax is n unique, like n largest laga, n smallest, like that what? n unique, n unique. పలకండి సార్ అట్లే కూర్చున్నారు బొమ్మల్లాగా స్పెల్ అవుట్ నెక్స్ట్ spell out like that. Spell out. So n unique of. So I will go to this place. Now I will go to finding number of unique values. Finding number of unique values in series object. Go there. So I'm going to take up. So I will create a series object here, students. I will create a series object. I'm going to create a series object. Okay, done. So got it. Now I want to find out number of unique values. So here I am applying in the same place s dot n unique, s unique. So I'm going to take it. How many are there? 7. Total number of values are how many? Come on. So here I will write it. Print of total number of values. Total number of values. Total number of values in series object is equal to comma s dot size. S dot size. How many? 10. Come on, come on. Yes. Print of. Or in other way you can find. What is the another way you can find? What is the another way you can find? Come on. What is the another way you can find? Total number of values in series object is len of s. len of s. How many are there? 10. Yes. Come on. Now I will print. Print number of what? Which values? Unique values. Number of unique values are going to take it. Number of unique values is equal to s dot what? N unique. S dot n unique. N unique I am going to write it. So number of unique values is equal to 7. That means there are 3 duplicate values are available. 10, 10, next 20, 30, 10, 20, 30. And the 3 values are duplicated or not? So that 3, 10 minus 3 is called what? This one. So how do you print the number of duplicates? Printer. Come on. Number of any formula? Number of duplicate elements. Number of duplicate values is equal to comma s dot len of s ln of s minus s dot unique of s dot unique of close. So am I getting number of duplicate values 3 or not? Yes. Like that. Clear or not clear? Clear. So online students, it is clear. I hope so. Next, I want to go for it. Displaying the number of for 12th. I am going to take it 12th. 12th I am going to. 14. In numbers చెప్పకుండా. So I will take care about the numbers. So comma, underscore, don't tell. Now I will go to 14th. I will go for it. To find the number of values, that is the frequency count. 10 is available how many times? 10 is available 2 times duplication. 20 is available 2 times. 30 is available 3 times. Madhu, 2 times. 30 is available 3 times. And a mindless answer that is. Without thinking anything. Without thinking anything. Sorry, sir, if you say, is it problem for me? They will ask you, who is your teacher? You will tell my name, compulsory will tell. If you do wrong in the life, who is your parents? They will ask. If you do wrong in subject, they will ask, who is your teacher? That time I have to bend my head. You are putting black ink on my face. It's very wrong. So take care. So for that, I am going to use the syntax. What is the syntax? Here I am going to write it. These are all very important students. Series object, dot what I am going to write it. Value count mark. Value, value count. Value count. Value counts. Spell out. Value count. Values, we are going to count it. Counts. Let us go to this subject I want to carry. Here I will go to, here I am going to write done. Carry this data, students. Carry this data. Now I am going to take up. Here I will apply. Here I will apply. So done. Now I want to find out yes dot. Come on. Value underscore counts. Value underscore counts. Chapandi. 10 how many times? 30 how many times? 30 how many times? 3 times. 3 times or 4 times? 2 times. 40 how many times? 1 time. 50 1 time. 15 1 time. 25 1 time. You can write your own function also, no problem. You can write your own function also, no problem. Value counts place, you can write your own function also. Do you know that? You don't know? Do you know? Shall I write it? Chapanda, if you don't know, okay. Shall I write it? At least let us utilize my service. So count, uh, count number of occurrences, of series object without using what is that? Value counts. Value counts. How to do? D is equal to like this. D is equal to empty dictionary I am taking. For value in yes dot values. Yes dot values. Yes dot values will give you number of values in the series or not? See, అది కూడా డౌట్ మీకు అసలు వాట్ ఈజ్ వాల్యూస్ అని. Print of what? Yes dot what? Values. So is it values are printed or not? That values I am taking. For value in yes dot what? Values. Now I will write it. If value not in D, value not in D, D of value is equal to 1. This example also I said in my class. What is that now? I will say D of value is equal to D of value is equal to D of value plus 1 plus 1. Print of, this is called one function. This is called one function. So here I will write it DE of what is that? KVR value counts ani. This is my function. Value counts. This is my own function I defined. This is my own function. It is going to return what value? It is going to return what value? I say, if you want to print, you can print the data also. How do you print, students? For k comma v, k comma v in d dot items of items of print of what backslash t k. I'll print more better output than existing. Print of what k comma v k comma v. So I'm going to say like this. So if you want one powerful output I'm giving you, this is my own function which is giving. This is my own function like this. So done. This is my function completed. Come on, what is my series object here? This is my series object. This is my series object. Go to the place. Here, I got my data. This is my data. Which values I'm printing now? Come on. Values with frequency. Values with a frequency. Come on. What is the function name? KVR underscore value counts. KVR underscore value counts of what? Yes. So see that. What is happening? 0. But you have given what? 1. So you take it as, in this case, take it as what? 1 yes. You take it one value. Take it one value. Yes. So done. You execute. Now got an output. Is it getting an output or not? Yes. Not only this, any kind of value you take it. Create one more series of value. One more series of value like this. So not this one. Take it as something like, take it as something like list of Mississippi, list of Mississippi, list of Mississippi. So I'm going to take it. This is series I'm taking. Series I'm taking. So here you got it. M is available one time, 4 is available, S is available, P is available. Are you following? You can take not only this data, you can take even list of names also. List of names also you can take. So here I'm taking apple. Next is called mango. Here I'm taking apple. Next I'm taking mango. Next I'm taking kiwi. Next I'm taking apple again. Next I'm taking strawberry. So I'm just writing like this. Keep it like that. Same. My function is same. Is apple available 3 times? Mango available 2 times? Like this available. Even you can write s dot value underscore what you can say predefined function also you can define. Apple 3 times, mango 2 times, kiwi 1 time, strawberry 1 time. Is it same thing my output also coming or not? Like that. So once you learn something, you have to write your own code. Once you learn some predefined function, you have to plan immediately how to write my own logic for that. If you think with that intention, you will become a strong coding student. You will become. Otherwise, if you don't practice too much, it will become problem always. Because generally student won't practice. If you do that, you will go to the top 20. 60 lo under manam. 60 is a danger zone. Don't be every one in all. Be a separate person. Stand separate from the crowd always. Plan like that. So this is about which function we have done it. Which function we have done it. So this is the one value counts. I wrote my own function here. So this is a dictionary. Dictionary level only I said this example. So value not in that, add to the dictionary. If it is not there, get the value, add the number of occurrences and do that. So after going to home, trace it that program and then do it. Clear up? Online students, is today's class is clear. Is today's class is clear. Everybody. So now I will post these notes for you. So I'll post these notes. Next I will go to one more is left out. That is called 13th or 15th. That is statistical operations. There, so many are there again. I can escape this. I can remove. What will happen? Once my class is over, if I remove, my heart will ask me, Xavier, you did not explain statistical operation. Why? So no answer from me. That's why if I teach everything, I feel very happy. Yes, I am teaching everything to my students. Okay, now if you don't read, my heart will not. If I tell to my heart, my students are not reading, that's why I'm not teaching. You don't bother about it, whether they teach or not, whether they will listen or not, whether they will practice or not, or learn or not. But you teach everything. That is what is my intention from beginning onwards. That's why do that. So next I will go to the next one is called what you know, students. Statistical operation I will explain tomorrow. Remember that. Up to here I will post it. Up to here I will post it. See how many beautiful operations. Correct or not? Any task is coming on series. You will do with the left and left finger. Correct? Some people are saying, I'm learning AI to this, etc. You ask these questions out of order. ఏం చేస్తుంది AI? Cannot do anything. First of all, you need to be very good in coding. Correct or not? So all IITs, NITs, first thing is they will conduct the test in C++ data such as algorithms they will give to implement it. No chart GPT to use. Even if you chart GPT, they will ask you, explain this line by line, they will ask you. Tracing, they will ask you. That time they will catch you or not. So don't do that kind of thing. So you create your own original intelligence. So let us move to the further. Online students, one small announcement on 16th, on 16th, you know, 16th April, 16th April,